The diesel just hit a car and everything's kind of chaotic right now. First off, if this is echoey, I'm sorry. I'm in gas station. Here with Sydney because me and her were technically the first people on the scene. Our take of exactly what happened. It started with a crazy lightning storm.
And there was so much lightning that it just like looked really crazy. We were going, you know, fairly slow because, you know, Dom didn't want to kill us.
A semi driver was driving at least fast in my mind.
Either way, we were going slow, but everyone was like going really fast around us. I guess this semi passed us really fast and Dom was like freaked out about it.
I fucking knew it was gonna cause an accident because he flew past me.
Dom was like, I fucking knew it, you know, and that's all I heard, you know, I didn't see anything happen, but so I called 911, zipped my pants up and went outside to see what was happening.
911, what's the nature of your emergency?
Went down to where Dom was and I saw this car that just looked fucking crushed.
We were the first ones here.
Dom got there before me and Dom was like trying to open the driver's side door, which was completely jammed. There was no hope in getting that open without the jaws of life.
If he's paralyzed, you can't move him.
Okay, yeah. Dom was trying to get the door open, and then Dom sat down next to him, was like trying to talk to him, and was like terrifying the poor guy.
If his back's broke, you can't move him.
My back?
No, I don't know. You're moving. I just don't know what the injury is.
Yeah, no. Since your car is okay, sir, we're just gonna leave you in here till paramedics arrive. It's better that we don't move you, okay?
Is there anyone that we can call on your phone that's...
Hey, Dom, do you want to go?
God damn it.
Do you want to go?
I'll check the diesel guy. Yeah, he's...
And I was like, Dom, get the fuck out of the passenger seat. I'm gonna sit here. And so I sat down, and I talked to the guy for like 5-10 minutes while we waited for the cops and everything to show up. I just tried to talk to him, keep him conscious, you know, because I didn't want him passing out. You just gotta stay with us, keep talking.
I ran to see if the semi guy was okay that dumped himself into this 10-foot ditch. So I went over there. There was some guy with a flashlight. Did we find out if the truck driver's out?
Somebody just said he was, yeah. How are you guys doing?
The cops showed up and the cop couldn't get into the passenger seat, so he got like in through the back window, which was completely shattered. Even the jaws of life had fucking trouble getting the door open. You know, and it started raining.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So, did you guys see the wreck happen?
I saw it.
Okay. What happened?
I was going 65. He flew past me at probably 75.
You helped out a lot, but I don't need you to write a statement for me or anything.
That's fine.
So,
can we take
I'm
off?
gonna shut the door and I'm gonna let you take off and I'm gonna let traffic go through first, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Is there any way, like, we could get contacted to, like, know how he's doing once he gets to the hospital?
I mean, I was just talking to him. Like,
No, he was coherent, but he's able to move and he...
Yeah, I mean, they've got a C brace on him.
Okay.
That's pretty normal with that. The other guy's fine, so...
Yeah, the diesel driver, I ran to both of them. It's fine.
Where are you guys from?
Arizona.
Okay. Yeah. Well, welcome to Kansas.